United back with a bang. A great show of character after the Arsenal defeat and the third away win of the season. It took until January to achieve that last year. This was built on a very fine first half performance. Goals from Sneijderlin, his first for the club. A question mark about whether Rooney fouled Naismith in the build-up, and then a couple of minutes later, the outstanding Herrera with a powerful header from Rojo's wonderful cross from the left-hand side. Could have been more in that first half. United really were excellent. Second half, Lingard came on for Mata. Everton had a good spell early on, De Gea making a couple of fine saves, one in particular low down from Lukaku. Then a fatal error from Jagielka, gave the ball away. United broke, Herrera played in Rooney, and he scored with aplomb in front of the park end. Didn't celebrate back at his old club, but scored his first goal away from home for almost a year in the Premier League. Could have been more after that, and three's enough. And what a comeback after that Arsenal game.
Well, I think it's a great performance by them, particularly the first half, Stuart. Starting the second half, we'll give a lot of credit probably to Chris Smalling and Phil Jones for the defending, because they had a go for the first 15-20 minutes, Everton in the second half, but United held firm and went on to win. What a great display by them.
And a great win ahead of a difficult programme for United in Moscow and Palace and against City. Great day here at Goodison. Everton 0, United 3.